Assalamu alaikum. Today's lesson is about monopolistic competition for A2, but it is also applicable for other boards also. What can you see on your screen? You can see different kinds of features of the monopolistic competitive market in the top and efficiencies of monopolistic competitive market at the bottom. And on the right hand side of your screen, you can see it. You can see the two diagrams with short run and long run. Let's start with understanding what a monopolistic competition market structure looks like or uske features kya hai. Number one, it has many sellers. There are numerous firms, but each firm will have small market share as compared to the overall market. But number two, very important thing which sets this apart from perfect competition is that there is going to be a little bit of product differentiation. The firms are going to be distinct in terms of quality, branding, features, or customer service. Therefore, non-price competition will exist. They would try to compete on non-price factors. Number three, there's going to be free entry or exit or non-existent barriers to entry. There would be some market power, low market power. Each firm has some control over its pricing, but competition limits excessive price setting power. तो इतनी ज़्यादा उनके पास luxury नहीं होगी to change their prices. Demand would be relatively elastic of the firm. Independent decision making, which means that the firms set their own prices and strategies. There is no interdependence without perfect knowledge of competitors' actions. Short run and long run equilibrium. Short run firms can make economic profit or losses. In long run, entry and exit drive profits towards normal level. And this I've also talked about in one of the videos where I have explained market structures along and the profits they're able to achieve. Due to the nature of the industry, there are low barriers to entry and exit, which means that even if the firms in a monopolistic competitive market are able to earn a supernormal profit in the short run, they will not be able to do that in the long run. So ये इसके कुछ features and these are the features and characteristics. Then when you talk about the efficiencies available to firms in a monopolistic market, the first thing is there is going to be a little bit of dynamic efficiency. As firms differentiate their products and innovate, this may lead to better quality products over time. But the chances of having dynamic efficiency are moderate. Allocative efficiency in the long run, firms set prices higher than marginal cost, तो allocative efficiency नहीं होगी, allocative inefficient होगी. And firms will be productive inefficient also because firms do not operate at the lowest point of their average cost due to advertising, branding cost, and excess capacity. What do you mean by excess capacity? When in the long run new firms enter the market, they are going to reduce some of your demand. आपकी capacity तो वही है. Your capacity is to produce 4,000 units, but now your demand is not 4,000. It has fallen down to 3,600 or 3,000, which means you have some form of excess capacity available. When you have excess capacity, you're not productive efficient. As simple as that. You're productive inefficient. So in the short run, what is going to happen is, let's look at the diagram. Now you can see that AR, which is the average revenue, and MR. AR is relatively elastic. Why is that? इन परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन द डिमांड वाज परफेक्टली इलास्टिक, बट यहाँ पे इलास्टिक है, या इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ के ऊपर थोड़ा सा प्राइस कंट्रोल है फर्म के पास, वो इसलिए प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन की वजह से. तो डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग डिमांड कर्व है, और डिमांड कर्व को किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है, एआर से. सो डिमांड कर्व इज आल्सो द एआर कर्व एंड एमआर इज ट्वाइस एज स्टीप. सो आई हैव ड्रॉन द एमआर. Now, the AR will be greater than AC at the point where, which is the profit maximizing point. What is the profit maximizing point? MR is equal to MC. वो कहाँ पर कट हो रहा है? Q naught पे. So this is the quantity we will sell. इस quantity पे हमें profit हो रहा है या loss हो रहा है? Normal profit हो रहा है, super normal profit हो रहा है या super normal loss हो रहा है? Let's extend the quantity of Q naught up and let's see where it meets at AR. Now, the different distance between AR and AC, that shows, which we can call A and B. What does this show? It shows the sum and normal profit which the firm is earning per unit. And what does the green area shows? The green shaded area shows the total supernormal profit. क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि डिफरेंशिएशन की वजह से हो रहा है, फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज की वजह से हो सकता है, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, तो इसलिए वो अपना जो मार्जिनल कॉस्ट है उससे ज़्यादा प्राइस चार्ज करके प्रॉफिट कमा रहा है. सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट इसलिए हो रहा है. What happens in the long run? चूंकि बैरियर्स टू एंट्री एंड एग्जिट नहीं होते, दूसरी फर्म्स देखने कह रहे यार यहाँ पे तो सुपर नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट ज्यादा है, अगर हम इस मार्केट में या इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर ऑपरेट करेंगे, वी विल बी एबल टू गेट अ हायर लेवल ऑफ प्रॉफिट. आओ हम यहाँ पर आते हैं. जैसे ही वो यहाँ पर आते हैं, सम टाइप ऑफ what will happen, your AR and your MR will shift backwards. Why? Because there is going to be a dent in your demand. As a firm, what is going to happen? एज अ फर्म आपकी डिमांड जो है वो थोड़ी सी डेंट पड़ेगी उस पर. क्यों पड़ेगी आप पे डेंट? इसलिए पड़ेगी क्योंकि मार्केट में कंपटीशन आ गया है. कुछ कंज्यूमर्स आपका प्रोडक्ट छोड़कर आपके कंपटीशन की तरफ चले जाएंगे. अब क्या होगा? अब ये होगा कि आपकी जो AR और MR है, इट इज गोइंग टू शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. और वो कहां पर इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे? वो वहां के ऊपर टेंजेंट हो जाएंगे AC पे, एट द पॉइंट C. यहाँ बट द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज, अगर आप MR इज इक्वल टू MC देखो, तो Q नॉट को अगर आप एक्सटेंड करो, तो ये वो पॉइंट है जहां के ऊपर यू आर टचिंग, योर AR इज टचिंग AC at point C, but it is not touching at the lowest point of your AC. Why is that? It shows that you're not productive efficient in the long run. Why? Because of falling demand, you have excess capacity. And when you have excess capacity, you can never be productive efficient. So, what does it show when you compare to short run and long run? In short run, you can have supernormal profit. You will neither be allocative efficient, you will neither be productive efficient. In the long run, what is going to happen? You will not be allocative efficient. आप allocative efficient नहीं होंगे, आप उस point के ऊपर operate नहीं करेंगे, और आप productive efficient भी नहीं होंगे. Right? Productive efficient क्यों नहीं होंगे? Because of excess capacity. Allocative efficient क्यों नहीं होंगे? क्योंकि P is not is equal to MC. ये allocative efficiency की सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया है, जो कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ कहां पर होती है? परफेक्ट कंपटीशन में होती है, और किसी मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर में नहीं होती. सो दिस इज अ वेरी शॉर्ट brief introduction of monopolistic competition. I hope today's lecture helped you. Thank you.